Hello there, and welcome to our channel where we delve into the world of finances and help you navigate the complexities of money management. Today, I am excited to share with you the top 9 financial advices that are essential for achieving financial success and security. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's dive in. Advice 1: Establish a budget and stick to it. A budget is like a roadmap for your money. It helps you track your expenses, prioritize your spending, and ultimately reach your financial goals. Remember, every dollar has a purpose. Advice 2: Pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills or take care of any other expenses, make sure to set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments. Building a financial cushion is key to weathering any financial storms that may come your way. Advice 3: Live below your means. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of consumerism, but true financial freedom comes from spending less than you earn. This not only helps you save more but also reduces financial stress in the long run. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Advice 4: Invest in yourself. Whether it's furthering your education, learning new skills, or starting a side hustle, investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. The more you grow, the more opportunities you create for financial success. Advice 5: Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread out your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. A well-diversified portfolio is the key to long-term financial growth. Advice 6: Harness the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. By letting your money grow over time, you can exponentially increase your wealth and secure a comfortable retirement. Advice 7: Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. No one achieves financial success without facing setbacks along the way. Instead of giving up, use failure as a stepping stone towards growth and resilience. Remember, every mistake is a lesson in disguise. Advice 8: Set smart financial goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals are the roadmap to your financial success. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring early, having clear goals will keep you motivated and on track. Advice 9: Seek professional guidance when needed. Financial planning can be complex, and it's okay to ask for help. A financial advisor or planner can offer personalized advice and strategies tailored to your unique financial situation, helping you make informed decisions and secure your financial future. So there you have it, our top 9 financial advices to adopt for a brighter financial future. Remember, financial success is within your reach, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your money goals. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and advice on our channel. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.